Okay, so before we take the door panel off, I'm going to show you how to take the door mirror off. And this guy was a pain. He plugs in right there, but I had to get behind it with this guy. You see? And poop. Because all the tension is right there. So unplug it. If I can do it with one hand. Can I do it with one hand? Can't even see the little switch, the little clip. No? No? Fine. Then don't come out. You know what? It's gonna take, you don't even have to come out. Watch. Unplug this guy. 310 mils. Let me pause it to make sure this is the right way of doing it, and we'll be back. Okay, so took him out anyway. He's being stubborn. And the clip side is on the interior side of the actual. It's kind of dumb. It moves out of the way though. Just pressure. So drop that. Last 10 mil. And we will make sure that this guy is the right way of doing it. And let's grab it before it doesn't fall. And ta-da! Ta-da! Beautiful grass. Beautiful grass. Ta-da! So let's put her back because we don't want any bad luck. And there she is. You gonna stay? Stay. Don't fall. Stay. And there you have it. So, like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.